So for this one, I'm just going to work number 10 because that's the one that has changed on this review from last time. And so we're just going to do a long division. So we're going to do 6x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 10x minus 25. And I want to divide that by 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Okay, and so the first thing I want to do is I want to look here at this term, and I want to say, what do I need to multiply 2x squared by to get 6x to the fourth? And I can see that if I multiply that by 3x squared, so then I'm going to do 3x squared, and I'm going to multiply it by each of these things, and that's going to go below here. So if I do 3x squared times 2x squared, I'm going to get 6x to the fourth. And then if I do 3x squared times negative 3x, I'm going to get minus 9x cubed. And then when I do 3x squared times 5, I'm going to get plus 15x. And what I want to do is I want to subtract all of that. So it's going to change the signs of everything. So 6x to the fourth minus 6x to the fourth, that's 0x to the fourth. Okay, and then if I do negative 5x cubed, it's going to be a plus 9x cubed. So that's going to be a 4x cubed. And then what about the x squareds terms? Whoops, x squareds. 7x squared minus 15x squared is going to be negative 8x squared. And then I'll drop down the minus 10x. And now I want to think about what do I need to multiply 2x squared by to get that number. And so it's going to be 2x. Okay, and then I want to think about multiplying that 2x by each of those three things. And so, so I'll do that. So if I do 2x times 2x squared, I get 4x cubed. And then 2x times negative 3x is minus 6, x squared. And then 2x times 5 is going to be plus 10x. And then I want to subtract all of that. So 4x cubed minus 4x cubed, that's 0x cubed. Negative 8x squared plus 6x squared is going to be minus 2x squared. And negative 10x minus 10x is minus 20x. And then I can drop down the minus 25. Okay, we're almost done. So I have here, I want to look at what do I need to multiply 2x squared by to get negative 2x squared, and the answer then would be negative 1. And so then I'm going to bring all that here. So negative 2x, or 2x squared times negative 1 is negative 2x squared. Negative 3x times negative 1 is plus 3x. 5 times negative 1 is minus 5, and then I want to subtract all of this. So I'll have negative 2x squared plus 2x squared is 0x squared. Negative 20x minus 3x is minus 23x. And then negative 25, and it's going to be a plus 5, is going to be a minus 20. And so then we want to identify the different pieces. So this up here on the top, that's our quotient. Okay, and so, and then this down here is related to our remainder. So in other words, we can write it out this way, that 6x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 10x minus 25 divided by 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 is going to be equal to, when I do that division, I get 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 plus that remainder, negative 23x minus 20, divided by that divisor that we started with, 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. So this first part we can call our quotient, and this second part we can call our remainder. Okay, so that is the problem.